Gold is one of the most valuable metals on Earth, and this is where its journey begins.
Deep beneath the surface, raw gold ore is extracted using powerful industrial machines. Precision drilling breaks through millions of years of compressed earth.
Carefully planned blasts release hidden veins of gold-rich ore.
Each truck carries raw material worth thousands of dollars. The gold-bearing rock begins its transformation. Crushers reduce massive stones into processable material.
Automated systems move material non-stop, day and night.
Grinding mills turn rock into fine particles, unlocking microscopic gold. This stage determines how much gold can be recovered.
The crushed ore is mixed with water to form a slurry. Special chemical solutions separate gold from waste material.
Gold dissolves while impurities are left behind. Activated carbon captures gold at the molecular level. Modern gold factories rely on precision automation.
The concentrated gold is now ready for refining.
Electric currents pull pure gold out of solution. This is where liquid becomes solid wealth. Automation ensures safety and maximum recovery.
Moisture is removed to prepare for melting.
Gold is melted at extreme temperatures.
Few sites on Earth are as powerful as molten gold.
Each pour creates bars worth millions.
The metal solidifies into its final form. Precision machines handle priceless material.
Every bar is tracked, weighed, and verified.
Purity is checked to meet global standards.
This is the final destination inside the factory.
From raw rock to refined treasure.
This is how gold is made, inside a modern gold mining factory. Security inside a gold factory is tighter than most banks.
Every movement is tracked and authorized.
Human handling is minimized to prevent risk.
Even transportation inside the factory is automated.
Each shipment is scanned for purity and security. Every gram must match the records exactly. Gold is prepared for global shipment.
Special containers prevent damage and tampering.
Certified markings guarantee authenticity. From here, gold moves to markets worldwide. Gold leaves the factory under maximum protection.
Speed and precision reduce exposure time.
Nothing goes unseen.
Transport routes remain confidential.
Gold fuels industries across the planet. Some gold is stored for national reserves.
This gold may never return to circulation.
Gold powers modern technology.
Its conductivity is unmatched.
From medicine to aerospace, gold is essential. Even space missions depend on gold. The transformation is extraordinary.
Thousands of steps, one perfect result.
Every improvement increases value.
Modern factories focus on sustainability.
Nothing is wasted.
The operation never truly stops.
Each bar represents immense effort. Value forged by science and precision.
This is the final form of one of Earth's most valuable resources.
Every mark tells a story of precision. It all began as ordinary rock. Technology makes the impossible possible.
Automation defines modern mining.
Thousands of machines work as one. Every process is measured.
Human oversight ensures perfection.
Nothing leaves without approval.
Flaws are not tolerated.
Each pallet represents immense value. Security never sleeps. Operations continue around the clock. A silent giant producing wealth. Gold stabilizes economies worldwide. Some gold shapes national futures. Precision meets elegance. Performance relies on purity.
Another cycle complete. From Earth to excellence.